Hello everyone, Craig from Chasing, and today I got another tutorial. Dory can now be used with our current Gladius Mini remote control. And I'm gonna show you right now how this whole thing works. If you are a current user of a Gladius Mini, you can use this remote control on your Dory as well. But for those of you that don't have a Gladius Mini, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know about this remote control. So first, this is the remote, okay? Real simple, easy to use, got a good feel in the hands. It's got some definitely great features built into it. So let's go through these. Okay, this feature right here, which shows a body of a drone, this is one button that you're not gonna actually use with Dory. This is for Gladius Mini's stabilize mode or depth hold mode. Now on Dory, you get always constant depth mode hold, so you don't need to worry about that. In the middle, you have your lanyard connection, so in case you want to wear it around your neck like Flavor Flav, you can do that. You also have your lock and unlock button right here. Now that's going to get the motors going on Dory. You can also do it on the app, but it's really easy to do right here based off of the on the remote control. You got your two joysticks for going forwards, backwards, up, down, left, and right. And then you have your on-off switch right here on the front. Now, on the top here, you have a couple different things. This is going to be your video stop button, and on the opposite side is to switch between video or photo. So one touch photo, another touch video. Same thing with this side. Hit the button, start video, hit the button, stop video, or shooting a photo. Along the bottom of the switching between camera and video mode, you have the light. So basically now you can turn your lights on and off with just this little dial, and then on the right, you have your dial for moving the drone vertically 45 degrees or horizontally 45 degrees. And that, if you want, if you push that button down once, the drone, Dory, will go straight back to normal. So now let me show you how it all comes together. So first, we have this arm bracket. And what you're gonna wanna do with this arm bracket is first take the bolts out of the back of the remote control. And now on this arm bracket, I'll show you guys a couple things. Now, if you want to adjust this to go a certain way, in the back of this is a little tool. You just pull it out, and it's actually a little flathead screwdriver. And what you could do is take that flathead screwdriver and put this in here, loosen up your bolt, and then you would be able to move this bracket up and down, left and right. And then it just pops right back into the remote control bracket here, and boom, we're in. Okay, next, like I said, you take these teeth, right like this, right into the back. There we go. Now I have it nice and flush. I'm going to take my bolt and go ahead and screw this in nice and tight. Then what are you gonna do? You take this little coupling on the back, you loosen it up, and then it's got a little ball joint right here. Pop it on there, tighten this back up, and you're good to go. The next thing I can do now is then go ahead, take my phone, and set it right up inside there. Voila, there you go. Perfect fit, even for an iPad, mini iPad, boom, you still got extra room to go. All right, so now that we've gotten through the whole remote control setup and all the features and functions, what we're gonna do next is gonna go ahead and get the Dory set up and show you guys exactly how to link it to the remote. Okay, so when you plug it in, okay, you push it in a little bit, turn the coupling, but don't turn it too much to where it's so tight you cannot get it off, okay? So now I got the Dory part plugged in. Let's go ahead and plug in the Wi-Fi buoy. Okay, we got our Wi-Fi buoy plugged in. And next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our phone. We're gonna go to our settings. We're gonna look for Dory, which is right there. Hit on Dory. And once we're connected to Dory, then we're just gonna go to the front of the app. Okay, perfect. Boom. What we're gonna do is go to the front of the app. We're gonna stop right there, okay? We're gonna grab our remote control. We're gonna put our phone inside the remote control, and then we're going to go ahead and turn on the remote. One quick thing, make sure your Bluetooth on your phone is on or this will not work, okay? So we're gonna say select on that, then we hit start, okay? Now we're in full feature. If you have a solid blue light there, that means you are connected and ready to go. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and make a little turn here. Throw this thing into the water. ever so gently. Hit our unlock button, and away we go. We are now under the water and checking out everything. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. So if you have any questions or comments, leave those below. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you guys all out and about adventuring and sharing your stories with us here on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.